If this is your first time here, hi, nice to meet you. I'm hard-headed. You should like and subscribe. It really helps a lot. Check out the other videos on the channel. I'm always doing crazy stuff. Enjoy. Welcome back, my hard-headed fellers and fellettes. Sorry it's been a few days since I've made a video. Been waiting on the machine shop to finish the head for that thing. Been waiting on the hydraulic shop to finish the oil lines for this thing. But I'll show you what we're waiting on. Here's the deal. Waiting on the head. The head is still at the machine shop getting resurfaced. Then I need oil cooler lines. These are inverted flare fitting, which I guess are hard to find these days. So the hydraulic shop is having problems finding the inverted flare fittings. They go from the oil cooler, or they go from the oil filter housing right here to an oil cooler, which is right here. Goes in, the antifreeze comes out of the block into the oil cooler, then through the intake. But waiting on those to be made. It's all ready to go, just freaking waiting on other people. Can't wait to get them back in the boat. There's the other one, ready to go. Progress updates on the boat. I got most of the bottom paint off. It looks fantastic. I buffed a little bit of it. Got new ones of those coming, so they'll be nice and shiny. Buffed the transom, buffed the inside of the boat. We put the floor in the boat, bilge pump, blower. Fuel tanks are clean, gotta secure them back in. That's all ready to go. The captain's chair is ready to go to the upholstery shop. Finding the proper color to match that is gonna be rather difficult. I gotta try to match that color. It's also a marbled vinyl, which they don't really make marbled vinyl anymore. 80s, 2025, you know, totally different. So, new ones of these coming, they'll be nice and shiny. I got cleats coming, I got a horn, because for some reason this boat didn't have a horn on it, so I wanted to put a big wonky trumpet horn on it. I buffed the front of the deck. It's still a little dusty, but we're getting there. It's almost there. The other gimbal is almost ready to go back on. Once we put that back on, we can do the motor mount. Once the motor mount is fiberglassed in the boat, then we can put the motors back in the boat. Once the engines are back in the boat, we can put the engine hatch back on it. Need to get the engine hatch reupholstered, need to get the driver's seat reupholstered, and then the bench I can worry about later because that's not too big of a deal. I mean, it's coming along. Just be patient with me, guys. Don't get upset. Comment any questions you have, you know. Just please like and subscribe. It's the only thing that helps. I got more coming for y'all. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.